obviously used to speaking English in a certain way. And it's a way I don't always understand it. So I always have to slow them down. Obviously I am used to speaking English in a different way after I have traveled many parts of the world, so you learn to adapt. So there is sometimes a bit of a learning path here. So that's just a thing. So please stop me if it's necessary. Okay. I guess you guys have heard about Agile. You have read a little bit. Somebody said, yeah, have you read the Wikipedia page? So I am going to use a little bit of time just to sort of set your minds on this. But I want you to keep open minds. Remember, what we say here is not sort of, I would say, it's not the truth. It's not the single one way. There's no substitute for common sense. Okay. You always have to keep this in mind. So the Agile process, or this way of thinking, and we'll come to it, I'll tell you, Agile is really a mindset. And we want you to think in that kind of way. Now, the classic way we used to do it is now sort of come to be known as waterfall. I mean, and it's come from the original diagram. You start with one place, then you do the next thing, then you do the next thing, then you do the next thing. And this is the kind of typical process we do. Say, right, we decided that if we know everything up front, we can do all of the analysis, we can put every little point, and then we can put up a whole specification. Of course, we can actually know it. Then we're going to give it to somebody, and they're going to go off and they're going to design all of this. And when they are done, then they're going to give it to someone to develop, and then finally, they're going to give it to guys to test. And of course, we've done it right when we get it to guys who are going to test and shouldn't find any bugs. Okay. Well, that's the first problem already. They are going to find a lot of bugs. But that's not the other problem that develops from this is because as they go through this process, they learn things. They're starting asking questions. And as they ask questions,